Hi everybody, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Excuse my table mess, but I've been on a little bit of a painting frenzy because I'm off for a couple days. So I'm going to be doing a bloom swipe. I just put my hand in black paint and I'm going to be doing it with a white base. Yeah, this could get interesting. Hold on one second while I wipe the black paint off my hand. Oh, never a dull moment around here. Alrighty, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that is my regulars that keep coming back and watching my videos, commenting, leaving thumbs up, thank you so much, you guys. It really does mean the world to me. I appreciate you all so much. Okay, Greg's going to put a picture up right now of all the colors that I'm using. And he's going to hit some music. I hope you enjoy. Thanks again, everyone.
Count on me in the middle of a storm. Well, that's okay, I'll be alright. Just watch me soar. I'm a self-made man, I don't need your hand. You're walking me around like a child. You think you got friends till things get tough and they're all dry black flies. Well, I've been doing just fine. Gotta live my life, gotta live my life alright. I've been doing just great. At night, way up in your ivory tower, judging from on high. How can you keep a straight face, being so fake, lying through your teeth? When the earth should drop, when it comes back around, don't come crying back to me, 'cause I've been doing just fine. Gotta live my life, gotta live my life alright. I've been doing just great. I don't think about you, I don't think about you. Sticking with the sun, don't shine. I've been doing just fine. Living my life, gotta live my life alright. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm A-okay, sitting in the shade. Turns out the grass was greener and so was the pay. Yeah, I'm A-okay, sitting in the shade. It turns out the grass was greener and so was the pay. 'Cause I've been doing just fine. Gotta live my life, gotta live my life alright. I've been doing just great. I don't think about you, I don't think about you at all. 'Cause you can take a drama, sticking with the sun, don't shine. I've been doing just fine. Gotta live my life alright. I've been doing just great. I don't think about you, I don't think about you at all. 'Cause you can take a drama, sticking with the sun, don't shine. I've been doing just fine. Living my life, gotta live my life alright. La 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 la. 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 In a world full of darkness and light, sorrow, sadness and despair, all I have is your love and your light, and I'm not going anywhere. I never thought that I would fall so hard, but that's exactly what I did. Now we're together and I can't wait to
3,000 miles from home, trying to say that I will get there soon. 30 days I walk down this way, singing my madness to the moon. I met a cat on a tree, and it talked to me about things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know which is the right way to go to get me home? And it said, don't look for a reason, don't look for another way, 'cause anyway we'll get you home. You can't get lost if you don't know where you go, and anyway we'll get you home. Is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. No, you aren't lost, just go and trust yourself. I felt so lost in life, felt like I'd never arrive. My perspective was wrong. If I don't know where I'm going, I can't get lost. This way is my home. Is the